You're not going to be quiet for this, are you? There is no amount of cookies that I could give you that would make you be quiet while I'm doing this video, is it? Nope. You're just gonna demand your outies. I want my outies now, Mama. Do not want to wait. I will wake the brothers. I will wake the brothers. Brothers! It's a call to arms! I want out. Why do we never get out? We just were out earlier today! I never get out. I have given up on life. Nobody loves me. Nobody cares. Life is horrible. When you are the ferret who cannot come out whenever he wants to and dig in the underwood. Could you just stop? Just stop. Paulo. Paulo. Dude. Little Paulo. 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 One out. One out. Bro, you're not coming out. Want out? Want out? Let me out. I need to see stuff. So we're talking about the amount of noise that's going on in the background of this video. That's why. That one right there. Who constantly wakes his brother up because they want playtime. But it's been a while since I posted a video. I haven't even made a vlog entry, and you guys are like, dude, what the hell? Okay, guys, I know it's been a minute since I've had a video, but I promise you one is uploading right now. Like, as we speak. I have not been bailing on you guys. I have not been just solely working on work. I have been busting it to make you better content. I think he's asleep. I think your body is asleep. Are you asleep? Can I record this video now? Are you plotting? I'm starting to understand why some people don't have pets. Okay, this is a vlog entry. No, there's not a lot of art in it. Actually, there's no art in it, but you guys are getting an upload right now, so no complaining. So when we last did a vlog entry, we were talking about branding and vending and all that other happy jazz. So the reason that I haven't done an upload since then is because I had to wait, because I decided I wasn't just going to waste the shipping payment to just do business cards. So the business cards came in. Come on, camera, focus. Nothing wants to focus on these things. Anyway, the business cards came in, and this is what they look like on the back. So those came in. That's great. And then I also ordered a banner, because we were talking about branding in the booth and having good signage, and I don't have any good signage, and the signage I did have wouldn't go with the brand that I'm running anyway, because it doesn't have the logo on it, and I threw it out like 2 years ago. So I have a new banner. The banner basically looks like, wait for it, the front of the business cards. So reinforcing the branding. Then the other thing I was running a few years ago that I stopped doing when I got rid of my truck is that I don't have my company logo on my vehicle. So I now have a decal for the car so that I have the company logo on the car. So branding, advertising, branding. Okay, so that's that. The other thing we talked about with vending was making sure you have seasonal items when you're coming up to a holiday season. Today is the 23rd of October. The next 2 months are hot holiday season. And how do you know that? Because everybody and their brother has got Christmas crap going on. And they're clearancing out their holiday stuff. Their Halloween stuff. So I did go to Walmart with the intent of getting a haircut, which I got. And then I wanted to put on my to-do list, I had getting a new Christmas tree for the booth. So the requirements were that it had to be kind of neutral themed, and it had to be smaller but heavy enough to hold like 20, 30 ornaments, so it was worth dragging it out for. So I figured out about a 3.5 foot, 4 foot tree would work, because I could put it up on a table. Something pre-lit would be best, because then I don't have to dick around with lights. But something effectively I could just cram in a box and take the ornaments, pack them up, and leave. I found one that I liked that was pre-lit, but nobody actually had it in stock, just the display models, and when you buy the display models at Walmart, you don't get a box to ship it home with, which means that I had no way of keeping the dog hair and all the pet hair and all the dirt off the flocking. So 2 Walmarts later, I had to pick out a different tree. Now, I did pick out this other one. It is called a Lincoln tree, and I kind of like it because, well, while it's not pre-lit, and I did have to go through and I had to buy some LED lights that are for it, there's a bonus to it. The base of it doesn't have a tripod kind of thing going on. It's got a little, like a drum, like a drummer boy drum. And that's the base of it, which is nice because then I don't have to worry about making sure that I have a tree skirt and there's less space on the table that it's going to take up. It has less of a footprint on the table. So when you're vending, every single inch of your space has to sell. So that was a plus to it. It has a smaller base than some of the other trees. Why was the lights a big thing? Because flashing lights draw people in. Irregardless of whether or not you think they do, go by any place that's got flashing lights, you will inevitably look at the light. Even if you don't stop in there, you will notice the flashing lights. So I wanted to get something lit up. These actually have different modes, and I can have it run through all these different modes so that the pattern changes so it will draw people into the booth. So I found that, and then I kind of wandered over by the Christmas thing to see if I could find something I could kind of customize the tree with. And Walmart had these little monogram ornaments for like $1 each. And I thought, well, this would be kind of cool if I could take this and then run it down the front of the tree. Maybe like on a ribbon or something, like zigzag a ribbon on it. Because then effectively I could get the Morning Hawk creations, like when you see like the watermark in the corner on some of the videos. And it's got the brand on it, and it's got MHC across the bottom of it. Something like that. So I thought if I could put MHC across the Christmas tree, then you would remind you, hey, by the way, this is a company, blah, 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 blah. It would kind of reinforce the brand. Lots of reinforcing that. And then my imagination started going. It's not necessarily a great thing when the imagination started going, because then that turned into a ribbon, and the ribbons turned into dragons going around the tree, and then it was a big old thing. We're not even going to get into that. That is about stretch canvases. To maybe mark up some really cheap canvases, because after I priced it out at Walmart, I swear to God, those ferrets, they just don't want to sleep. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Okay. I'm so sorry. When you're done, stop it. I'm not letting you out.
There is something wrong with you, you know that?